You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word in English. If you want to learn more country names that are confusing, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you, including from Indonesian. That's how it's pronounced. So let's break it down. In the, a schwa sound. Some may say it as do, but it's more of a the. Ni, jeune. All right. It's not Indonesian, no, or Indonesian, no. It's a jeune sound. Stress on the ni syllable, the third syllable. How to pronounce anybody from Indonesia is an Indonesian. And now you know how to pronounce Indonesian English pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.